Hello? Oh no! The camera's being attacked. Oh. Okay, here we go. Blue ball. Get it, Flo, get it. I mean, Zoe. Get it, Zoe, get it. Good girl, get it, Zoe. And you're just an onlooker here, are you? Oh no, I'm trying to get the camera cord. Yikes. Get it, Flo, get it. Oh no. Boy, I feel sorry for any mice that are in anybody's house when Flo gets there. Zoe, I mean. So, oh. Whoops. Yikes. Sorry, I just got the camera knocked out of my hand. There she goes. Wild and free. She's really fun to play with. Oh. And there goes Mama Cat. Gabby, pussy puss. Gabby. Hey, Gabby. Gabby. She just finished eating. He's good. Hey. Hello. Goodbye. You're pretty wild tonight. Where'd you go, Flo? Oh, there you are. Ooh. She just took off like a wild thing. Yikes. Oh my gosh. Look at that girl go on 3 legs. Unbelievable, isn't it? Ooh. Her brother comes to her rescue. Yikes. Oh. They're crazy tonight. Girl, Mom's just trying to lick her paws clean after dinner. Sinbad, Sinbad. Crazy. Oh, poor Mama. Hey, Mama. Mama. Uh-oh, I'm gonna get jumped on. Ow! 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 You jumped on my lap. Okay. It's funny. Hello. Oh. Okay. There you go. Mommy and Flo. Zoe. Hey, Cap. Hey, Cap. Oh, my little girl. My little girl. He's a good little girl. Have a drink of water now. That's a big attraction, everybody. Say good night, Flo. Good night, little Zoe Flo. Zoe Flo. Coming? Are you coming? What do you smell? What do you smell, little girl? Okay. See you in the morning.